Hey guys, it's Anne and today I would like to share with you a new DIY idea that I made recently. It's a phone case. You open it like this and bam! It doesn't fall, it's very strong and it's cute. It's cheap, you can make it from old pair of jeans that you don't wear anymore or that are damaged. And the milk carton, vegan milk carton if possible. Sorry, because I have just pictures, as I didn't have camera yesterday, so... Now thanks for watching. If you like the video, please click the button right below and subscribe to my channel and see you soon. Bye!